Addition and subtraction of fractions. Let's imagine we have a pizza cut into 10 equal slices. That means each slice is 1/10 of the whole pizza. Ellie ate one slice. That is, Ellie has eaten 1/10 of the pizza. Then Ellie ate 2 more slices. That's 2/10 more. When the denominator is the same, like 10, you just add the top numbers. So easy, it's like adding pizza. So let's add them together. 2/10 plus 1/10 equals 2, 3/10. Let's consider one more example. Let's imagine we have a watermelon cut into 5 equal slices. That means each slice is 1/5 of the whole watermelon. Jenny ate 3 slices first. That is, she has eaten 3/5 of the watermelon. Then she ate one more slice, that's 1/5 more. When the denominator is the same, like 5, you just add the top numbers. So easy. It's like adding watermelon. So let's add them together. 3/5 plus 1/5 equals to 4/5. Hey everyone. Today we're learning how to subtract fractions, with a little help from Lily and her apples. Lily has a box with 4 apples. Since that's the whole box, we say she has 4 out of 4 apples, or 4/4. Lily gives 1 apple to her friend. That's 1/4 of the box. Now, let's solve. The fraction of apples does Lily have in her box? Since both have the same denominator, 4, we keep it the same. Then subtract the top numbers. 4 minus 1 equals 3. That means Lily has 3 out of 4 apples left, or 3/4 of the box. Let's solve one more problem. Jenny painted 5 hexagons. That is, the fraction is 5/7. And Ellie painted 1 hexagon. That is, the fraction is 1/7. Let's find how many hexagons does Jenny paint than Ellie. That is, solve 5/7 minus 1/7. Since both have the same denominator, 7, we keep it the same. Then subtract the top numbers. 5 minus 1 equals 4. That means Jenny painted 4/7 hexagon boxes than Ellie. Now, it's your turn. Find the sum of 1/6 plus 1/6. Now, pause the video and solve. 2/6 is the correct answer. Let's try one more. Find the difference of 3/3 minus 2/3. Now pause the video and solve. 1/3 is the correct answer.